Search is the first step to just about everything we do online. And today, 94% consumers search the internet before online shopping. They submit a keyword for search and get a list of relevant websites in return. People tend to visit the website which is on top of the list as it appears to be more relevant to their search. The question is, will these customers find your business in search results? Study shows if your website is not on top of the list, you will never reach your customers online. Plus One SEO Training Course 2017 is all about getting your business on top of Google search pages. My name is Habib and I have been marketing businesses worldwide. I am inbound certified and have more than 10 years of marketing and educational experience. So, if you are a small business owner, a web developer, or want to start a career in a digital marketing company, this course is for you. Inexperienced SEOs who are struggling to rank their website can also check this course. This course is packed with proven SEO and link building techniques which will help you to rank your website on top of Google search pages. In this course, I have touched almost all the hot SEO topics like keyword research, proven on-page and off-page optimization, killer link building techniques like broken link building, and user engagement metrics, etc. Each lesson is explained by practical demonstration. Along the way, you will get complete guidance for social networking platforms like Google+, Tumblr, and Reddit. You will also learn how Google rank web pages, and I will explain you the 200 Google ranking factors. For local businesses, I will show you more than 300 active spots to mention your brand for brand recognition. Last but not least, as a bonus, you will get Pinterest Marketing Guide, which is a useful and effective tool to promote your business online. Plus, I will explain you how to automate the whole Pinterest marketing campaign through an amazing free tool. These are little glimpses what you are going to learn in this course. So if you are ready to develop a successful online business, let's get started with Plus One SEO Training Course 2017. Thank you.